In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flag an email in Outlook. If you want to keep track of an important message, adding a flag in Outlook is a quick and useful way to do it. Flags help you mark emails that need follow-up, remind you to come back to something later, or simply keep important messages from getting lost in your inbox. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few seconds. To get started, open Outlook and go to the inbox or folder where the email is located. Take a moment to find the message you want to mark. This could be an email you need to reply to later, something you're waiting to act on, or any message you want to make easier to notice. Once you've found the email, move your mouse over it and right-click on the message. This will open a menu with several options related to that email. Right-clicking is a helpful shortcut in Outlook because it gives you fast access to common actions without needing to open the message first. From that menu, click on Flag. As soon as you do that, Outlook will mark the email with a flag, making it stand out visually in your mailbox. This can help you stay organized, especially if you receive a lot of messages throughout the day and don't want important ones to slip through the cracks. After the flag is added, you should see the email now has a flagged status, usually shown with a small flag icon next to the message. That visual marker makes it easy to scan your inbox and quickly identify emails that still need attention. One useful tip is to use flags consistently. If you only flag emails that truly require follow-up, your inbox will stay more manageable and the flag feature will remain effective. If you flag too many messages, it can become harder to tell what actually needs your attention first, and that's all it takes to flag an email in Outlook. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how you manage tasks and stay on top of your communication. Once you get used to using flags, it becomes much easier